Santa. My name is Santa Claus.
You know what I want for Christmas, Santa?
What would you want? Where are you?
No, don't interrupt me. You know what I want for Christmas?
What?
Mozzarella cheese.
You want it? Here's a mozzarella cheese.
What are you talking about? I hate mozzarella cheese.
Ho. 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 Ho, ho, ho. Santa, guess what I want for Christmas?
What would you like for Christmas?
Some hamburger.
Would you like some hamburger?
Yes.
Why would you like some hamburger? No.
We are exposed.